Hello, my name is Jared Christensen. I'm a battery electric vehicle specialist in the technical services group. Today we're going to look at how to use the Epiroc CAN tester tool. In order to use the CAN tester tool, we need to have a multimeter that we can plug it into as well. The CAN test tool is going to plug into power on a module. It's going to go in series from the power cable to the X1 terminal on an application module. The CAN side is going to go inside in any of the CAN lines in series. In this case, I have it plugged into the X3. It's not plugged in right now, which shows us an open CAN loop of 126 ohms. When I plug this in, we now have our closed CAN loop, which has the correct resistance of about 66 ohms of resistance. This test is done with the multimeter checking ohms resistance and the RCS turned off. Now we're going to actually check for the CAN signal voltages and the CAN supply voltages. In order to do this, we're going to switch our multimeter to DC volts, and we're going to start our RCS. Now we can see our main system voltage, our CAN system voltage, as well as our CAN high and our CAN low signals. When testing the CAN system, sometimes the CAN high signal and the CAN low signal will look like they're very similar. This is due to data not being transferred back and forth at that time. Your CAN low and your CAN high signals will have a bigger difference the more data is being transferred. Also, when there's data being transferred, the traffic lights will flash. For more information on this, please contact your local Epiroc service center or dealer.